Ever faced a conflict at your workplace and didn't know how to handle it? Well, you're not alone. Conflict is inevitable in any environment where people have to work together. But fear not, because today we're going to explore the ins and outs of managing conflict and negotiating solutions in the office. Imagine walking into work, coffee in hand, ready to tackle the day. But then you're met with a conflict. What do? Step 1. Identify the problem. It's essential to figure out what exactly is causing the tension. Without a clear understanding of the problem, finding a solution can be like trying to navigate a maze blindfolded. Next, listen and understand. This means genuinely hearing out both parties involved in the conflict. It's not just about what's being said, but also about acknowledging the feelings behind the words. People need to feel heard, and this step can go a long way in diffusing tension. On to step 3, set and respect boundaries. This creates a safe space for each party involved in the conflict and ensures everyone feels respected throughout the process. Now, if things are still a bit rocky, don't be afraid to bring in a third-party mediator. This can help provide an unbiased perspective and guide the process towards a resolution. The 5th step is to focus on solutions, not blame. The goal here isn't to point fingers, but to find a resolution that works for everyone involved. Once you've found a solution, it's time to establish a follow-up plan. This ensures the conflict doesn't reappear in the future like a pesky groundhog predicting 6 more weeks of winter. And last but not least, stay professional. Remember, respect is key throughout this entire process. Now let's shift gears a bit and talk about damage control and conflict resolution. Firstly, acknowledge feelings. This sets the stage for an atmosphere of understanding and respect. Second, listen. Active listening ensures everyone feels heard and valued. Then, find common ground. This creates a unified solution that everyone can agree on. Next up, compromise. Everyone might need to give up something to reach an agreement, but the end result is a resolution everyone can live with. Finally, follow through. Make sure everyone sticks to the agreement to ensure the resolution is successfully implemented. So, there you have it. Managing conflict and negotiating solutions isn't always easy, but with these steps, you'll be well on your way to navigating the tricky waters of office politics. Remember, every conflict is an opportunity for growth and improvement, so don't shy away from it. Instead, tackle it head on with a clear plan and a professional attitude.